Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to send and receive money using Google Wallet. Let's get straight into the video. First off, for sending money, what you want to do is open the Google Wallet app on your Android device and then just tap the send tab to initiate a money transfer. And then what you got to do is to enter the recipient's name, email address or phone number, and then enter the amount that you want to send them. And then choose a payment method such as credit or debit card or bank account. Then confirm the transaction details and tap send to complete the transfer. Now for receiving money, what you want to do is open the Google Wallet app on your Android device and then tap the receive tab to view incoming transactions, and then accept the payment by tapping accept or claim, and then transfer the funds to your bank account, or you can use them for purchases and whatever. So when it comes to sending and receiving money using Google Wallet, there are a couple of features that are available. The first is the P2P transfer. So Google Wallet allows you to send and receive money directly with friends and family. There's also a request money, so you can request money from others using Google Wallet. Now there's also a split bill. So Google Wallet allows you to split bills with friends and family. That's one of the features that's available there. And there's also money requests, so you can send money requests to others, of course, using Google Wallets. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found it useful. Hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.